Question number 3. Pick out the solutions from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. So, here it is asked that from this question, from the bracket, we have to first of all pick out the values which satisfies the solutions of the equations. And we have to show why the rest of the other numbers do not satisfy the equations. So, A. 5m equals to 60. Numbers given are 10, 5, 12 and 15. So, first of all, which number satisfy the equation? That is, by m, if we which number we multiply, so that multiply by 5, so that we get 60. So, if we multiply 12 by 5, we get 60. That is RHS, and this is LHS. So, put m equals to 12 in equation 5m equals to 60. Therefore, 5m equals to 5 multiplied by 12. We are substituting m equals to 12. 5 multiplied by 12 equals to 60. Therefore, what we get? 60 is our LHS and RHS is also 60. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, m equals to 12 satisfy equation. Now, rest of the numbers do not satisfy equation, but we have to show why it do not satisfy the equation. Put m equals to 10 in equation 5m equals to 60. Therefore, 5m equals to, now 5m means there is multiplication relation and we have to put m equals to 10. Therefore, 5m equals to 5 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 50. Now, LHS answer we got is 50. But RHS is what? 60. Therefore, LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, m equals to 10 do not satisfy equation. Put m equals to 5 in equation 5m equals to 60. Therefore, 5m we have taken LHS, that is equals to, in place of m we have to put m equals to 5. Therefore, 5m equals to 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Now, LHS answer we get 25, but RHS in the equation is 60. Therefore, LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, m equals to 5 do not satisfy equation. Now, next number is 15. Put m equals to 15 in equation 5m equals to 60. Therefore, 5m equals to 5 multiplied by 15. We have written 15 because m equals to 15. We have to put in the in 5m. So, 15 5 is 75. But what is our RHS in equation? 60. Therefore, here also we get LHS not equals to RHS. Therefore, m equals to 15 do not satisfy equation. Number B, n plus 12 equals to 20. Now from the bracket 12, 8, 20 and 0, we have to find which number satisfy the equation. So, from the bracket, if we find which number satisfy n plus 12 equals to 20, that means n equals to which number we will put, that we get by adding 12, we get 20. So, from the number, if we take n equals to 8, 8 plus 12 is 20. So, first of all, we will show that n equals to 8 satisfy equation and rest of the numbers do not satisfy equation. So, put n equals to 8 in equation n plus 12 equals to 20. Therefore, n plus 12, that is equals to, we will write in place of n we have to put 8. 8 plus 12 equals to 20. Now n plus 12 is LHS. We get answer 20 and RHS is also 20. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, n equals to 8 satisfy equation. Now, rest of the number do not satisfy equation, but we have to show. Put n equals to 12 in equation n plus 12 equals to 20. Therefore, n plus 12, that is LHS, equals to, what we have to write, 12 plus 12. Why we have written 12 plus 12? Because we have to put n equals to 12. In place of n we have put 12. So 12 plus 12 equals to 24. Now this 24 is LHS of equation and RHS of equation is 20. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore n equals to 12 do not satisfy equation. Next number we have to take is 20. N equals to 20. So first we will write, put n equals to 20 in equation n plus 12 equals to 20. Therefore n plus 12. So if we write n plus 12, that is equals to 20 plus 12. Why 20 plus 12? Because while adding we have to put n equals to 20 in n plus 12. Therefore 20 plus 12, that is equals to 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3, 32. Now this is 32 is LHS, 20 is RHS. So both are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore n equals to 20 do not satisfy equation. Now we have to show for n equals to 0. So first we will write, put n equals to 0 in equation n plus 12 equals to 20. Therefore n plus 12 equals to, in place of n what we have to put, 0. So 0 plus 12 equals to 12. Now this 12 is what? LHS. But in RHS it is 20. So values are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore n equals to 0 do not satisfy equation. Number C. P minus 5 equals to 5. Numbers given are 0, 10, 5 and minus 5. Now from this given number, which number of P we will take so that we get answer 5? We have to take 10. If we put P equals to 10, then 10 minus 5 equals to 5, which satisfy equation. But rest of the number do not satisfy equation. We have to show how it do not satisfy equation. Solution. Put P equals to 10 in equation P minus 5 equals to 5. Therefore P minus 5, that is LHS of equation, equals to, in place of P we have to put 10. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Now this 5 is LHS of equation and RHS of equation is also 5. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Therefore P equals to 10 satisfy equation. Now rest of the number do not satisfy equation, but we will show how it do not satisfy equation. Put P equals to 0 in equation P minus 5 equals to 5. Therefore P minus 5 is LHS of equation. We have to put P equals to 0. 0 minus 5 equals to minus 5. Why? Because if we subtract 0 plus 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Now minus 5 is LHS of equation and RHS of equation is 5. Both values are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore P equals to 0 do not satisfy equation. Put P equals to 5 in equation P minus 5 equals to 5. Now we have to put P equals to 5 in equation P minus 5 equals to 5. So P minus 5 is LHS of equation. So let us put P equals to 5. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. This 0 is LHS of equation and RHS of equation is 5. Therefore values are not equal. LHS and RHS are not equal. LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore P equals to 5 do not satisfy equation. Next, put P equals to minus 5 in equation P minus 5 equals to 5. So first we will write LHS of equation, that is P minus 5. We have to write P equals to minus 5. Minus 5 equals to minus 10. This LHS is minus 10, RHS is 5. Values are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore P equals to minus 5 do not satisfy equation. Number D, q upon 2 equals to 7. Now from the numbers 7, 2, 10 and 14, by 2 which number we will divide so that we get 7? 14 by 2 equals to 7. Hence first we will take q equals to 14. Solution. Put q equals to 14 in equation, q upon 2 equals to 7. Therefore q upon 2, that is LHS of equation, we have to put q equals to 14. 14 upon 2 equals to 7. So LHS is 7 as well as RHS is 7. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Therefore q equals to 14 satisfy equation. Next is put q equals to 7 in equation, q upon 2 equals to 7. So therefore q upon 2 is LHS of equation, that is equals to 7 upon 2, that is equals to 3 integer 1 upon 2, because it is improper fraction. As this is LHS and 7 is RHS, both values are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore q equals to 7 do not satisfy equation. Next number, put q equals to 2 in equation, q upon 2 equals to 7. Therefore q upon 2, that is LHS of equation, we will put q equals to 2 in LHS. 2 upon 2 equals to 1. 1 is LHS, RHS is 7. Values are different. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore q equals to 2 do not satisfy equation. Put q equals to 10 in equation, q upon 2 equals to 7. Therefore q upon 2, that is LHS of equation, equals to 10 upon 2. We have put q equals to 10, that is equals to 5. LHS is 5, RHS is 7. Values are different. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore q equals to 10 do not satisfy equation. E. R minus 4 equals to 0. Numbers given are 4, minus 4, 8 and 0. So first of all, from this number, which number we will take so that we get answer 0, 4. So let us find solution. Put r equals to 4 in equation, r minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore r minus 4, that is LHS of equation, that is equals to 4 minus 4, because we have to put r equals to 4, that is equals to 0. So we get both values same, LHS and RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Therefore r equals to 4 satisfy equation. Put r equals to minus 4 in equation, r minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore r minus 4, but we have to put r equals to minus 4. So minus 4 equals to minus 8. Minus 8 is LHS and RHS is 0. Hence both values are different. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore r equals to minus 4 do not satisfy equation. Put r equals to 8 in equation, r minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore r minus 4 equals to 8 minus 4 equals to 4, because we have to put r equals to 8. So LHS is 4 and RHS is 0. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore r equals to 8 do not satisfy equation. Put r equals to 0 in equation, r minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore r minus 4 equals to 0 minus 4. Why we have to do 0 minus 4? Because r equals to 0 we have to put, that is minus 4. LHS is minus 4, RHS is 0. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore r equals to 0 do not satisfy equation. F. X plus 4 equals to 2. Numbers given are minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. First of all, which number we will put so that we get 2? From this bracket, we will put -2. -2 plus 4 equals to 2. So LHS equals to RHS. We have set, we get LHS equals to RHS. Hence equation will satisfy. Put x equals to -2 in equation x plus 4 equals to 2. Therefore, x plus 4 equals 2. X plus 4 is LHS of the equation, equals to -2 plus 4 equals to 2. Hence we get LHS equals to RHS. Therefore x equals to -2 satisfy equation. Now rest of the number do not satisfy equation, but we have to show how it do not satisfy equation. First we will take x equals to 0. Put x equals to 0 in equation x plus 4 equals to 2. Therefore x plus 4, that is equals to 0 plus 4, because we have to put x equals to 0, that is equals to 4. Now this 4 is LHS and 2 is RHS. Values are different. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore x equals to 0 do not satisfy equation. Put x equals to 2 in equation x plus 4 equals to 2. Now students, we have to put x equals to 2. Therefore x plus 4 equals to 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 6 is LHS because x plus 4 is LHS of the equation and RHS is 2. Values are different. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore x equals to 2 do not satisfy equation. Put x equals to 4 in equation x plus 4 equals to 2. Now we have to put x equals to 4. Therefore x plus 4 equals to 4 plus 4, because we have to put x equals to 4 equals to 8. So LHS is 8, RHS is 2. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore x equals to 4 do not satisfy equation.